Ready, start. I am directed to state that it has been noticed that in a number of cases in which promotion, postings and other allied matters are objected to be the government servants concerned, they obtained stay orders from the High Court or Civil Court, full stop. A lot of administrative process a number of cases in which promotion, postings and other allied matters are objected to be the government servants concerned, they obtained stay orders from the High Court or Civil Court, full stop. A lot of administrative process is held up because of these stay orders, full stop. These orders are generally issued with notice to government, but it appears that the departments concerned do not take promote actions for opposing the application for stay orders and getting these vacated, full stop. Next para. The martial law administrator zone desires that administrative secretaries, full stop, heads of attached departments and other concerned authorities should act with speed and care in matter involving such stay orders, full stop. They should refer the case to the solicitor to government of West Pakistan for legal advice, full stop, without an loss of time, and send a memorandum to him contain full fact of case along with the necessary documents, full stop. Next para. The solicitor to government of West Pakistan should examine the case expeditiously, and unless he is of the view that the government case is weak, the should issue necessary, should render all possible and promote assistance to the Advocate General of the legal advice concerned to enable him to appear the case effectively, full stop. Next para. In such cases where it is found that the original orders of the department were not correct, full these orders should be cancelled promptly and steps should be taken to ensure that such mistakes irregularity do not occur again, full stop. Cases in which a department does not act promptly or is not found to be cooperation in defending the case property, full stop, should be reported to the chief secretary for being it to the notice of the martial law headquarters for taking suitable action against the officers who have failed to comply with these instructions in letter and spirit, full stop.